Hi everyone, I am Lamia and this is my first video in my YouTube channel. I hope you will like. Now we will learn 27 new words for beginner, which is very useful and we use it in daily life. Firstly, I'll say the pronunciation of the word. After that, I'll explain the meaning and I tell you synonyms. Lastly, I will use it in the sentence so that you understand it better. Let's start. Our first word is job. Job. G-O-B. Job, it means that a task, work, piece of work, especially one that is paid positions for regular work. Convert public or trust positions into private interest. Synonyms: job, work, business, employment, affair, mission. Let's look the sentence. I hope my vision is clear enough for this job. She found a job and her life changed completely. Next word, specific. Specific. Specific is clearly defined or identified proper to somebody or something as qualities, characteristics, effects, and so on. Synonyms: private, special, proper, concrete, inherent characteristics. And let's use it in the sentence. He helped found a relationship that was specific to combining of the words and music. Another example, it was almost impossible to locate specific books in the library until we had alphabetized them by the author's surnames. Third is professional. We can use it as a noun and an adjective. It is relating to or connected with a profession. A person who belongs to one of the professions, especially one of learned professions. So, as synonyms: trade, occupation, handicraft, vocational. In the sentence, the Winnipeg Symphony Orchestra is the largest and oldest professional musical ensemble in Winnipeg. They rely on years of extensive training and proper technique to become a part of professional companies. Next word is individual. A single human being as distinguished from a group, intended for the use of one person only. Synonym: person, personality, private, separate. For example, many early manuscripts, however, contain individual readings from several different earlier forms of text. Everyone is an individual. Next word, foreign. Foreign, it means that relating to or derived from another country or nation, but not native. For example, foreign country, foreign cars, foreign girls. Synonyms: external, overseas, outward. In the sentence, for example, English as its second or foreign language is the use of English by speakers with different native languages. There are some major differences between foreign and second language teaching and learning. Our next word is likewise. Likewise, in the same way, also, in a like manner, similarly. Pay attention to the synonyms. So, those, in this way, as, in the same way. Let's use it in the sentence. Other common metalware found in the home also requires regular cleaning and likewise has specific cleaning needs. Second sentence, for example, these organs of the global economy are likewise members of the United Nations family. Okay, this was last word. Now you think we just learned 6 words, but this is wrong. I can hear your voice. You said why? Because if you learn these words with their synonyms, then you will have learned totally 27 words. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, my accent, my explanation, then don't forget subscribe my channel and please write in the comments what should I take the next video about. It doesn't matter for me, it's about grammar or words. Just write me. I hope you have found it useful and learned some things. See you soon. Bye bye.